How to get your TikTok account unbanned. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps to get your TikTok account unbanned. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your browser, and if you are on your Android, you can use Chrome, and if you are on iOS, you can use Safari. And in the search bar, type TikTok contact and look for the link to TikTok Help Center and click on that link, which will take you to support.tiktok.com. And once you are there, simply type account ban on the search bar. Now simply tap on content violations and bans, and from here simply scroll down to the bottom and simply tap on no. And after that, simply scroll up and tap on appeal this decision. And once you do that, you simply have to scroll down from there and simply tap on report a problem on TikTok. After that, you again simply have to scroll down and tap on online reporting form. And here is what you need to do in the form. You have to enter your email address and username, and after that select the topic by choosing the option relating to account bans or suspensions, and after that specify why your account was banned. For instance, if it was due to the age restriction or misunderstanding, explain the situation clearly and in details. This is a critical step, so you need to provide a strong, polite explanation about why the ban might have been mistake or why you believe it should be lifted. And after submitting the form, TikTok will contact you via email, usually within 24 hours with update and resolution. And that's it for the video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.